Good morning, students. Today we will discuss topic combinations of chapter permutations and combination. This is a part 4 lecture. In the part 3 lecture, we have discussed about the permutations concept. In the permutations, we have discussed about the arrangement of the given objects. In this topic combinations, we will discuss selection of group, selection of objects. Let's discuss an example. Suppose we have 4 objects A, B, C and D, taking 2 at a time. 4 distinct objects are given to you. You have to take 2 objects out of 4. Make combination. Just do it. A, B, A, C, A, D. Take B, fix the B and take C, D and A. Fix C and take D, A and B along with the C. And fix the D, take A, B and C. You will get 12 arrangements. In the case of combination, AB and BA both are considered as 1. In the case of arrangement, these are 2, but in the case of combination, these are 1. Similarly, AC, CA, AD, DA, BC, CB, BD, DB, CD, DC. In the combination, all these are considered as 1. There are only 6 combinations are there. If 4 different objects are given to you, you have taken 2 at a time. Arrangements are 12, but combinations are 6. It means when you take 4 distinct objects and select any 2 out of 4, you are getting 6 arrangements. It means in the case of combination C, 4C2, you are getting 6. If you are talking about the permutations or the arrangements, 4P2, then you are getting 12. Now, what is the relation between combination and permutations? You can write here 4 times of P2 is equal to 4 times is not 4P2 is equal to 4C2 times of 2 factorial. If I select 3 objects out of 4, then here at the place of 2 factorial, you will get 3 factorial. 4P2 is equal to 4C2 into 2 factorial. This pattern goes and we will get 4C2 will be equal to 4 factorial upon factorial 4 minus 2 into 2 factorial. This is a formula of permutation, and this 2 factorial goes to the left hand side. You are getting 2 in the denominator, and the formula 4C2 becomes 4 factorial upon 4 minus 2 factorial and 2 factorial. As I move forward, suppose 5 different objects are there and you have taken 3 out of 5, then you can write 5C3. It means factorial 5 upon factorial 3 and factorial 5 minus 3. You are getting 10. When you want to calculate permutations of these 5 and you are selecting 3, 5C3 into 3 factorial. As I told you in the previous slide, 2 factorial times was there here, and here is what? 5C3 into 3 factorial, and it is equal to 5P3 when you are getting arrangements of 3 out of 5. So you will get a formula, NPR will be equal to NCR into R factorial. And when you write NCR, that will be equal to NPR upon R factorial, or you can say the formula of NPR is factorial N upon factorial N minus R and factorial R. This is the formula to get the combination of the given objects when you are selecting R objects out of N objects. Few concepts, few theorems are there regarding this combination. First is NCR plus NCR minus 1. You will get always N plus 1 CR. NCA is equal to NCB if these two combinations are equal. Out of N, you are getting A, selecting B. Both combinations are equal. It means either A and B are equal, or n is equal to A plus B. You must know that the factorial 0 will be equal to 1. If you want to discuss this, then we will discuss in next slide. Yes, if NC9 is equal to NC8, find NC17. As in the previous slide, I have told you NCA is equal to NCB only if A is equal to B or N is equal to A plus B. As you know here, 9 and 8 both are not equal. So it means first case is not be considered, second will be there, N will be equal to A plus B. 8 plus 9, that will be equal to 17. 17 C17, because the value of N is 17. 17 C17 will be equal to 1. You can calculate it by using formula, or you must know NCN will be equal to 1. Now here is example. A committee of 3 persons is to be constituted from a group of 2 men and 3 women. In how many ways can this be done? 3 persons committee you have to make, and you have 2 men and 3 women, and 3 persons you have to select for the committee in the first case. In the second case, how many of these committee would consist of 1 man and 2 women? In the second case, you have to take 1 man and 2 women. Let's discuss first case. Number of ways. If you are selecting 3 persons committee out of 5, 2 plus 3, 5. Out of 5, you are selecting 3 persons, maybe 2 women, 1 man, 2 men and 1 woman. Any consideration will be there. 5C3. Solve it, 5 factorial upon 3 factorial into 5 minus 2 factorial. You are getting 10. Total 10 arrangements can be formed. If you have to select 1 man and 3 women, 2 women out of 3, then there will be number of ways 2C1. 2 means total 2 men are there, you are selecting 1. And 3 women are there, you are selecting 2. This is a condition. 1 man and 2 women you have to select. 2C3 into 3C2, it means you are getting 6 arrangements. Let's discuss next. Here we'll discuss 2 questions of exercise 7.4. First is question number 9 and second is question number 7. What is given in question number 9? I have briefed here. Total courses given to you 9. To be chosen by student 5 and 2 are compulsory. Out of 9, you have to select 5 and 2 are compulsory out of 5. It means 2 are compulsory, which should be opted by the students 100%. It means out of 9, 2 are compulsory, only 7 are left. And out of 5, you have selected 2, 3 are to be selected now. Out of 7, now you have to select 3. 7C3, any of 3 you can select out of 7. Now apply the formula of combination. Factorial 7 upon factorial 3 upon factorial 7 minus 3, that is 4. Simplify it, you are getting 35. It means 35 ways are there to select the courses. Total players in the question number 7, total players are given to you 17. Out of 17, 5 are only bowlers and 12 are others. Required selection for the cricket team is 11. And in 11, you have to select 4 bowlers. Others are 7, which you have to select other than 4. Bowlers will be 4 bowlers will be there. Bowlers, total bowlers 5. You have to select 4 bowlers. It means what? 5C4. Any 4 you can select out of 5. If 4 are selected, total 11s are required. It means what? How many are left? 7 are left. And total, out of 5 you have selected 4. 17 minus 5, only 12 are left here. Out of 12 you have to select 7. 12C7 and solve the combination of these two and you will get 3960. These are the examples of combination. Do the exercise 7.4 and try to do questions, do examples for the more knowledge. You can get the answer of other questions also by using the examples as well as the given questions discussion. Have a nice day.